All right, eighth grade. Here is your writing. It is titled Headlines. Headlines is like titling something. All right, so I guess we could say this is headline slash title. Now, newspapers are not that big and popular anymore like they used to be. So I guess it'd be kind of like when you think about a news story. Like you're a news broadcaster and you're getting ready to say what's coming up. You can't tell the whole story. You just got to give them a hint as to what's to come. Facebook, I don't know what you guys use, TikTok or whatever. You want to get that YouTube, you want to get that person to watch your video. What are you going to title it? What is going to be that attention grabber? So we're going to be writing that today. So it said headline writing is fun and creative. There are only a few rules you must follow. Keep the headline short, summarize the main point of the brief story, use a verb, preferably an active or present tense verb in every headline. So create a headline for each of these articles. Let's look at the first one. On Wednesday, March 4th, eighth graders from, so we have eighth graders from Watkins School went to Lincoln Center in New York to hear a concert on the evolution of Scherzo. Scherzo includes jokes on the audience written into music by the composer. Leonard Slatkin, director of the St. Louis Symphony, conducted, and the New York Philharmonic performed works of Beethoven, Mozart, and Tchaikovsky. Students' responses varied. Brian Sando called the concert boring. Jenna Rich said it was okay. Bart Slooper found the music exciting. So I'm looking at that first paragraph, and we got to write our headline. So when I'm looking at this, I can see going eighth graders from Watkins School hear Scherzo. Now, even in that title, I don't know what Scherzo is, so it's kind of gotten my interest sparked a little bit. I'm a teacher, so being eighth grade from a school, hearing this, I want to know what's more about it. So that's going to want to entice me to read that article. So, what you're going to do is you're going to copy that information down for one thing. You are going to read paragraphs 2 and paragraphs 3 and write me a short, sweet headline, like you're titling the paper. You're giving it interest. All right. So that's what you're going to do on this assignment. Don't You need to finish the rest, and then don't forget to submit it to me through Canvas when finished. Good luck and have fun. And remember, please come see me during office hours so I can have someone to talk to and to look at besides myself. So good luck and have fun.